Can you keep singing your song?
If she does try doing something new, will you just try doing something new? Can you please do it?
Keep singing. It's a great song.
No.
That's the end of the song. Yay! Bravo! You ready to start trying to build something with the Lincoln Logs?
No, you try building with me.
Yeah. Okay, we'll build another house together, okay?
No, a playground.
Oh, you want to build a playground. Okay.